Hello my dear students, in the previous video we have already done what will happen when a light ray, a single wavelength, a single color or a monochromatic light, when it enters into a prism, what will happen to it, how does it undergoes refraction. In this now we will take instead of monochromatic light, we are taking over here a white ray of light. What will happen to this white ray of light when it enters into a glass prism? When this white ray of light will enter into a prism, it will also go refraction, but it will also split into 7 different colors. Now since it has undergone refraction, so we have to show bending of light also. To draw this, we will first draw the red, the topmost, and then the last one, that is violet. To avoid any confusion, we have first drawn the first, that is violet, and that means the bottommost color which the white ray of light will split into, and the topmost color, that is the red. Outside also it will again go refraction, so we have to show bending again in the downward direction, as we know that in prism the refraction or the bending of light will always take place towards the base of the prism. So again violet bottommost and red is the topmost color, right? So here we have observed, now we have to fill the in between color. After violet, above violet, it will be, the next one will be indigo, outside also, then blue, then green. So these I am showing the different colors of which the white light is made up of. This is a green color. I hope you can see this. After green, it's yellow. So yellow over here, and orange, so we have got 7 different colors out of white light: the violet, then indigo, then blue, then comes green, the yellow, orange and red. That means we have got all the colors of rainbow. So white ray of light, after passing through the prism, it will split up into 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Violet color, it is the bottommost, and the topmost color is red. Violet color, why it is the bottommost? Because it undergoes maximum bending, or in other words we can say maximum refraction of light. It occurs in the violet color. That means this violet color will be moving in the prism with the slowest speed. whereas in contrast to it, the red one, which is at the topmost, it will have the minimum bending. This means minimum refraction, and this shows that out of all the colors, it will be the moving with the fastest speed among the 7 colors of VIII: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this shows that the white ray of light, it is made up of 7 colors of light: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This phenomena, when white light splits up into 7 colors, this is known as dispersion of light. So this is called dispersion of light, the splitting of white light into 7 colors. The band of the 7 colors, if I put a white screen over here, we will get a band of these 7 colors. That band of 7 colors is called spectrum. So what is spectrum? Spectrum is the band of, it's the band of 7 colors obtained on the white screen. So this is called dispersion of white light into 7 colors when it passes through the prism. Now let us see whether we can recombine these 7 colors into white light or not. If we take another prism and we keep it in inverted position to this first prism, like this, that is upside down to the first prism, then let's see what will happen. This was studied by Newton, Isaac Newton. He noticed that when we will keep these 7 colors, we will take another prism and keep it in the inverted position, that means upside down, the base is now upwards, then these 7 colors, they will again reunite to form a single light, that is white light. Now see how it happens. This is a white ray of light. It will now bend, it will in the upward direction. Why? Because we know that it is the thumb rule in the prism that the refraction, it always occurs towards the base of the prism. So over here also the refraction, that means the bending, it will occur towards the base of the prism. And where is base of the prism? It is over here in the upward direction. This is the base. So now it will bend in the upward direction. So let's take the last one, that is the violet, joining it at the same point, then blue, indigo, all they will be meeting at the same point, then blue, then green, yellow, all the colors you can see that they are meeting at the same point. The last orange is left. So now you can see that all these colors, they are uniting again and they are forming again a white ray of light, which we will get on the other side of the second prism. So this is the what is this? This is the recombination of 7 colors into white light. This was studied by Sir Isaac Newton. Now we know that when the white light it passes through the prism, it splits up into 7 colors, and that is called dispersion of light. The natural phenomena which we observe is the rainbow for the dispersion. So rainbow is the natural phenomena which we observe due to dispersion of white light into 7 colors. The rainbow, it is formed after the rain. That means when the raindrops, they are suspended in the air, and where it is formed, it is formed in the opposite direction to the sun. So it will form where you can see the rainbow in the opposite direction to the sun. How it happens? Because we know that the small raindrops or the water droplets which are suspended in the air, they will behave like tiny glass prisms. So the suspended raindrops or the water droplets, they will behave like tiny glass prism like this. So they will represent small tiny glass prisms suspended in the air, and combinedly they will give the effect of rainbow. Now how it happens, how to draw the diagram? You have to take a circle, you have to draw a circle. This circle will act like a water droplet suspended in the air. Now our sun is here, which emits white light. The white light, it will enter or it will pass through this raindrop. When it will pass through the raindrop, it will disperse, it will split up into 7 colors, and we know that the topmost one will be the red and the bottommost will be the violet. Now in rainbow we notice that this is the violet color, this is the violet, and this is the red color on the top. But from the other side, these rays, they will not move out, they will undergo total internal reflection. And now reflection means bouncing back of light, so they will be totally internally reflected, just like reflection happens in the mirror, bouncing back of light. So these are bounced back. Again, this is violet and this is red, and from here now they will come out to give us the effect of rainbow. This is red and this one is violet. So due to this reason, we always see that the lowermost band in the rainbow, it is always violet, the innermost band, and the uppermost band in the rainbow, it is the red. So that means in total we can say that in the formation of rainbow, we observe it due to dispersion, that is splitting of white light into 7 colors, plus of course there is refraction, that is bending of light, plus there is total internal reflection. So we can observe the rainbow because of all these three taking place together in the rainbow formation. I hope you have understood about the natural phenomena, that means the formation of a rainbow. So hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, students.